Hi, my name is Nuruna binti Umar. My matrix number 2021117325. I'm from BA232, class BAE 6E. Let's get started. When I started preparing for this talk, I was reminded a quote from Nicole Kidman. Life has got all those twists and turns. You've got to hold on tight and off you go. Today, we would like to discuss with you our finding on the benefits and functions of insurance. Reality, most of us are well aware of the importance of insurance in daily life. However, not all of us conscious to the success of functions and benefits offered by the agency. Did you know how to use them and when the right time to use? Follow us in the discussions of the functions contained in the insurance and benefits earned by the insurer. As the first step, I would like to state the type of insurance, namely life insurance, home insurance, education insurance, health insurance, and car insurance. So what is insurance? Insurance is a legal agreement between two parties, insurer and insured. The insurer pays a premium in return for the promise made by the insurer.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shafika binti Abdul Haris from BA243. Now, me and my friend Siti Afika will tell you about the benefits of insurance in two categories, which are insurance in general and in 4 different types of insurance. So, I will start with the benefits of insurance in general. So, we know that there are a lot of benefits of insurance, and one of them is insurance can manage cash flow uncertainty. Insurance offers payment for covered losses when something bad happened to you. As a result, the risk of paying using your own money for losses is greatly decreased.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Afika binti Abdul Qadir. So, the other benefit of insurance in general is to reduce social burden. It is because insurance helps to relieve the cost of uncompensated accident victims as well as society uncertainties. By this, if anything happens like an accident for instance, at least we still can have peace of mind when knowing the financial security is assisted by insurance to pay the workshop bill for instance. So, we will talk about more benefit of insurance specifically in terms of life insurance, health insurance, car and house insurance.
So now it's my turn to share with you the benefits of the first type of insurance, which is life insurance. So, life insurance is a provider of financial security to your dependents in the case of your untimely death. So the benefit is it can become the income replacement for years of your salary if you suddenly pass away. So basically, life insurance can cover your child's education, debts, and home mortgage. But the most important thing is having life insurance can cover the funeral cost. We all know that the cost of funeral is expensive and can reach up to more than 2,000 ringgit Malaysia. We can relate to the current situation happening around the globe where many people lost their lives because of the COVID-19. The funeral cost for the cause of death of COVID-19 in Malaysia can cost up to 5,000 ringgit Malaysia. So the second type of insurance that I will share with you is health insurance. So basically, health insurance is bought for its coverage against critical illnesses. The main benefit is to cover the medical cost, especially the treatment that costs a big amount of money. The insurance provides coverage against dangerous disease such as heart disease, kidney failure, stroke, and many more. You are entitled to a lump sum amount if you are diagnosed with any of the severe illnesses listed on your policy's predetermined list. We can relate to the situation in Malaysia where almost 85% of the people do not own health insurance, even though the case of dangerous illnesses such as heart disease is the highest in the country.
Next, the benefit of car insurance. Third-party insurance is required by the Motor Vehicle Act, and we have to purchase it whether we buy a new or used vehicle. It is because by having car insurance, we'll have to cover our car against damage due to accident, fire, theft, flood, and so on. Another benefit of car insurance is that it includes personal accident coverage up to a certain level. Personal accident insurance protects from permanent total disability and death as a result of an accident. Etika, for example, state in light of the recent flood that struck several states in Malaysia where they are offering two flood coverage options, which are basic flood coverage such as flood and storm in 0.25%, while expanded flood coverage costs 0.5%, where include landslides, earthquake, and other natural disaster. Last but not least is the benefit of house insurance. Surely, each of us is dreaming to get our own house. But at the same time, of course, we feel scared with all the uncertain risks and bad situation about our house. So, by having home insurance, it can help to cover for loss or damage to our house caused by events such as fire and other natural disaster or hazard. Other incidents covered by home insurance including lightning, earthquakes, and others. This also can be related with the current situation in Malaysia, which is flood, where Zurich Malaysia state that 74% of homeowners have no coverage against flood damage. By this, Zurich Malaysia issued a slogan, which is "There is no place like home," as an effort to spread the awareness for Malaysia to buy house insurance to protect their assets and sustain their way of life.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alia binti Ahmad Johari. My matrix number 2019-853746. Next, for the function of insurance. First is primary function, and secondary function, and indirect function. Firstly, for primary function, insurance principal job is to act as a risk transfer mechanism. Insurance function as a risk transfer mechanism in which the insured pays a premium to the insurance business in exchange for protection and passes responsibility for loss or damage to the insurer. So when the risk is accepted, the main insurer is in the same situation as the insured potentially connected to the risk. Next, for secondary function. Firstly, release fund otherwise tied up in reserve. So it means insurance allows businesses and individuals to avoid the need to freeze cash in order to provide financial protection against losses. So as a result, insurance provides a means of stabilizing costs associated with the risk management through the payment of premiums in exchange for recovery in the case of a loss. So the newly created fund would be open for investment. Second, stimulate business enterprise. Insurance risk transfer mechanism enable and supported the maintenance of today's large-scale industrial and commercial organization. Such large-scale businesses could not have begun without transferring a significant amount of their risk to the insurers. So insurance also promotes commerce in the following ways. It facilitates financing of property by banks and other financial institutions, and also it facilitates overseas trades. And third, reduce fear and worry. Insurance gives businesses and individuals peace of mind by reducing their fears and concern about their potential losses. So the reduction of anxieties and worries helps in the establishment of confidence and allows for the forward planning of economic activity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shakila binti Udin. My matric number is 2019-615-288. I will continue to extend of secondary function of insurance, which is insurance can reduce losses. Insurers have the experience in handling losses and improving them by providing recommendations. This is because insurers' day-to-day activities come across a number of losses and types of risks. Insurers help to reduce losses through their actions and recommendations in rating, survey, inspection, and salvage activities. This will benefit both insured and insured. Next, insurance can encourage saving. In addition of protection, insurance acts as a committed saving, especially in the case of endowment insurance. The investment element of this type of insurance is a form of saving, while the protections provides compensations in the event of death or permanent disablement. Hence, the policy provides protections and savings to the insured. Lastly, insurance offers social benefit. The people of the society are exposed to their personal risks due to their accidental death, unemployment, disability, and others. Such events bring a serious economical problems to the individual and his dependents. In such circumstances, the insurance can be considered as an effective measure to minimize such social problems. For this, insurance provides financial compensations against the losses due to such events. Next, I will explain the indirect functions of insurance, which is firstly, insurance is an investment of funds. The common pool accumulates large funds, which insurers hold as custodians, and they will invest these funds into public and private sectors to earn profit. Besides, insurance as invisible exports. Insurance promotes invisible exports by providing insurance protections to other countries. And lastly, insurance as the source of employment. Industry insurance in Malaysia has created various categories of job opportunities, including insurance investigator, insurance sales agent, and insurance broker.
As our closing word for today, the key word that can be highlighted is insurance provides safety and security. Insurance provides financial support and reduce uncertainties in business and human life. The most focused benefits of insurance are to control losses and free from what other consequences could happen. Frankly, by understanding the importance of insurance in our life can save you so much more than that. With the perfect choices, you invest. Choose the better way for the future better. Thank you for listening.